If you're interested in purchasing a pre-owned iPhone, having knowledge of its purchase or activation date is really important. So in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to determine the exact purchase date of an iPhone. So let's dive in and get started. Solution number 1. Check the date and time from the server. For that, open a browser, type checkcoverage.apple.com. Now copy your serial number. To copy that, open Setting first. To copy that, open Setting, then scroll down, tap General, tap About. Now this will show you the serial number. Tap and hold the number, tap Copy. Now come back here, paste the serial number. Enter the code. Well done! You've successfully learned how to check the exact purchase date of your iPhone. So if you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video.